God. I was just about to pull it, but the brute make a turn. I don't want for it the chop to drop on him. I want for it to drop over him. But he was just right on the line where it would have fell on him. But I'm not planning on hurting him. Not planning on killing him. Just showing what some of what I am going to do when I go out in nature and survival challenge. Wow, there's a next. Just come guys, just go. Look which one is there guys, not the one that I want to catch. I'm going to try with these two now, ground out. Yes! 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 I'm going to have to do some reconstruction of this again. Wow. Reveal this one. I don't know. Maybe I took too long, or just I made the loops too big. So I guess that's the reason why those two ground dove got away. That was a fun one. Wasn't a bad one at all. Yeah, man. Even though I didn't get to hold them in my hands and do the release myself, they do their own release that is. Wow. See what happened. I keep watching to see if they will return. I got it wrong right there. They move much faster than I do. I'm going to reset it. See what happened again. Seems like I gave them too much food. I should have put one green. Let they go for the bigger amount. My God, I just want for him to go up a bit more.